Welcome to the general study classes. Today we will discuss the very important topic that is known as the Indus Valley Civilization. So what was Indus Valley Civilization? Indus Valley Civilization was one of the oldest civilization in the world, along with Mesopotamian civilization, which is in Iraq, and ancient Egyptian civilization. Indus Valley Civilization was also called Harappan civilization. Harappan civilization because Harappa was the first and most important site of this civilization. Indus Valley civilization was also known as Harappan civilization. The Indus Valley civilization covered an area of 12,60,000 square kilometer, including the present-day Pakistan, parts of India, Afghanistan, and Iran. It covered an area of 12,60,000 square kilometer. And it is believed that the civilization existed between the 2500 to 1700 BC. So the first discovered site was Harappa. The question may arise that which was the first discovered site? This is Harappa, which is founded by Dr. D.R. Sahani in 1921 on the banks of the river Ravi. The first site discovered was the Harappa, which was founded by the Dr. D.R. Dayaram Sahani in the 1921 on the banks of the river Ravi. On the bank of which river? Ravi River. Then another important site was the Mohenjo-Daro, which was discovered by R.D. Banerjee in the year 1922 on the bank of river Indus. So Sir John Marshall played a major role in both the discovery. Sir John Marshall. The Indus Valley civilization was the part of India's proto-history and it belonged to the Bronze Age. Indus Valley civilization belonged to the Bronze Age. So the people of the civilization were from the different the people of the civilization were from different ethnic groups, including the Mediterranean, Proto-Australoid, and Mongoloid. They used the gold, silver, copper, bronze, but they did not know about the iron. So iron was not recognized under the Indus Valley civilization. We'll talk about the Mohenjo-Daro. Mohenjo-Daro was discovered by R.D. Banerjee in the year 1922. So it is located in the district of Pakistan, Larkana district of Pakistan, near the Indus River. The name Sindhi, the Mohenjo-Daro comes from the Sindhi word meaning this is Mount of the Dead. So in Mohenjo-Daro we can find the Great Bath, which is a multi-pillared assembly hall which has a piece of woven cloth seal with an image of Pasupati Mahadeva, a statue of bearded man. There is also evidence of direct trade with Mesopotamian civilization. So we can say that Mohenjo-Daro was one of the most advanced city of the Indus Valley civilization. With its trade road, drainage system was also developed. So this was the Indus Valley civilization briefly. And for the next content, stay tuned. Thank you so much.